Hi, my sunshines. So it's me, Janice, and this is just a little bit of clip from my ultrasound today. My husband was awesome and getting a little bit of clip. So here is just a gestational sac. There was no yolk sac. There was no cardiac activity, and I have a couple fibroids and also a growth in my left ovary. So please guys, keep me in your thoughts and concern as we go through this difficult period. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good morning, sunshines. So we are on our way to my my ultrasound that I told you guys. But last night I went to the emergency room and those people scared me.
Maybe later.
Oh my gosh, they scared the crap out of me, and it was not. They don't explain anything. Emergency nurses and doctors are horrible when it comes to early pregnancy. They are horrible. Like it was just horrible. It was a horrible experience. So I'm happy I have my actual ultrasound that I get to go to, and they can actually explain to me what's going on and all kind of stuff, and not just leave me like what the heck is a pseudo ectopic pregnancy? Like, don't say that if you don't know for sure that I have an ectopic pregnancy. Don't scare me. So yeah, but yeah, so I'll let you guys know when we get there. Look who's here with me. Gia over there. Gia, what are you doing? Why did they have the Play-Doh all over the people and stuff? We just got here at my appointment, so we shall see. This was just a little setup for baby's A ultrasound. So here we are, and she is searching for the gestational sac, and it's right there, the little dot in the middle, and then surrounding it is a couple four fibroids and a couple growths. I don't know what's the correct term for what's going on. I have to wait 2 days to get my results back from my doctor, so I won't know until then, guys. So I'll keep you guys posted. Anyways, we're just getting back from my ultrasound, and they can see they saw a gestational sac, but no baby. No baby. There is no cardiac activity. There's nothing. So, and no one is saying anything. They're like, your doctor will get the results and everything in 2 days. Follow up with her. But she did show me the sac, the gestational sac, and my husband was able to get a little bit of footage for you guys. So that's all I have. And if you are a professional radiologist, be my guest and tell me what you see, because my ultrasound from last night from the emergency room, they were telling me that I have a mass in one of my ovary. Is it the left? Was it left or right? One of those. One of my ovaries have a mass in it. Yeah.
I think it's right, because I kept saying the word ovary.
Ovary.
And she put right at RH or RT.
Yeah. So there's a mass in one of my ovary, and they're saying that they couldn't exclude pseudo ectopic pregnancy. They couldn't exclude that, but there was no finding of an ectopic pregnancy. Isn't that scary? Like, I'm seeing a gestational sac, and these people are telling me there's no baby, there's no heart rate, there's nothing, and they want to throw the word ectopic pregnancy out there. Just don't do that until you know for a fact 100% sure that that's what it is. Exactly.
And they kind of find out you don't have cancer, but you've been freaking out about cancer.
Exactly. So now I'm scared to death for the next 2 weeks because that's when I go back for my next ultrasound. And any kind of pain or anything, I'm like,
start freaking out.
Yes, I'm like, could something be wrong? Because, you know, don't get me wrong, I'm happy and excited to be pregnant with my 5th child, but at the same time, I don't want to risk my life, you know, because I have 4 healthy, beautiful children that, you know, I have to be around for, and I can't take that risk, you know. If it was my first child, I would put my life on the line, but no, it's not worth it. So that's that. So now I'm going back to the hospital because I dropped off.
You can't do anything about it right now.
No.
You're pregnant. We don't believe in abortion.
Well, the thing is, my levels from last week when we did my levels, my blood work, were 1700. My progesterone was 11.5, I think she said. And she said they would have wanted to see it at 15. And then my progesterone, my HCG level last night was only 2700. To me, that didn't double at all.
That's the growth hormone?
That's the human thingy hormone. That's the pregnancy. Yes? Well, mommy has to go back. Well, I have to go back to the emergency room to go pick up a report for my ultrasound that I did last night for my primary care doctor, because he wants to see me so he can do a referral for the mass that's growing so that I can get that taken care of and not be worried about it. And so that's where we are right now, is this mass. I don't know what this mass is. I don't know. I just need to figure it out and get it taken care of. So yeah, I just needed to update you guys a little bit more about what's going on with us. So anyways, I gotta go because my arm is hurting. I'm trying to hold this camera all still for you guys so you're not like nauseous and but I gotta We're at my other appointment. Tracky's just like sitting here playing with the truck that they had underneath the tree.
He said Santa came here already.
Santa what?
Santa came here.
Santa came already? Yeah. Santa came? Don't get annoyed with me. I'm just asking.
That's between a lot of things.
I know. She was like, stop using that word.
Yeah.
I was like, it's not me. It's those people that spit it out on the paper. And I'm like,
it's mass. You can tell.
Yeah.
And then you can tell
exactly.
You don't know what mass is.
So she was like so sweet. She was like,
wait.
just wait and don't think about anything else for the next 2 weeks that we're waiting to find out whether or not this is a viable pregnancy. And come on, bud. Tiptoe. So we have to wait 2 more weeks to find out. But she was like, at least if this is not a viable pregnancy, then we can, she was like, then you'll have fun trying again. So I just don't know, people. Just don't know. Just don't know. Wait, Papa. Wait. Wait for Daddy.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, come on.
But she was really sweet. That's the first time I've seen her. No, I saw her before. But first time seeing her. Yeah. So, like I've said, people, this is my second doctor's appointment for today. And we still don't know anything. We still have to wait. So, nothing can be done. Nothing can be done right now. Hi. Nothing can be done. We just have to wait. So, with that said, I'm gonna end this vlog for today. That's about it. Just gonna go home, pick up my kids, relax, enjoy the rest of the day, and not worry about sit back and not worry about this. Ow! I am not going to worry about this pregnancy anymore. If anything,
What are you doing?
so yeah, I'm not gonna worry about this pregnancy anymore. I'm not gonna stress myself. If it's not viable, it's just not viable. It just was not meant to be. And if we do decide that, you know, this baby is not gonna make it, we go through the process, grieve, and move on. If we do decide we're gonna try again, we'll try again, but not right immediately. Probably wait a couple months and then redo it. Or I just settle with the 4 kids that I do have and just continue my fitness journey. You know, what can you do?
Not fake.
But anyways,
Santa's not fake.
Santa's not fake?
Yeah, no.
No? So I'm gonna go put this child in the back, buckle him up. And don't forget, you guys are my sunshine, so don't forget to shine bright. Bye. It's bedtime right now. Come on. Turn off the television.
Sorry.
Get your night clothes on.
Mom, can I say my dance?
Hi, Jackson. I know you hate bedtime, but they have to go to school. They have to go to school. They have school tomorrow, and it's now 8:10.
Hi. That was my brother who did that crazy thingy. I mean, I'm the good one.
Yeah, sure. Get your PJs on, brush your teeth, pick up out here your toys. Pick up back out here and your toys and put them away. And get in bed and I will come tuck you guys in. My vision. I can't see. This is weird. Oh my god. My eyes are messing up. Well, this is bonus footage. This is my nightly routine. It's what I do. I am responsible for putting the kids to bed. And I am responsible for putting them to bed and making sure that the lights are turned off. Because my kids can't sleep in the dark. Which I don't force them to. And I leave this light. Leave the hall light up for them. I always stop. I always plug out my Christmas tree. I never go to sleep with my Christmas tree on. So, no, it's bedtime. Let's go. No, you don't need any more juice. You're gonna pee the bed. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the extra footage. And, yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And if you made it this far, you guys are awesome. Awesome. Good night.